Hey, it's Andre, and this is a really awesome Christmas gift idea.
Look at that slow flight.
This is the HK A180 F22 Raptor, and what a fun little aircraft. A couple years ago, I was reviewing the brushed 1S style version, and that thing was a good plane, but would never work in the colder weather. These things now are brushless. Look at that. Nice 1106 5300 kV plus motor running on 2S 300 milliamp batteries and sub $100 range. It really flew well. It performed better than I was expecting. It has a nice built-in flight controller with all where the servos hook in. Your receiver is there. So if you have a multi-spectrum radio or multi-protocol radio versus the stock one, which for an adult hand is a little small, you could bind to it and fly it with that. But from a bind and fly, so a plug and play, just ready to fly kind of scenario, this thing is perfect. It even has LEDs, which are super visible in the daylight, and that 2S setup, the 2S brushless setup, performed better than I was expecting. All the modes are fun, but in basic mode, even the youngest bit of pilot would be able to go. I don't know the weight specs. I don't know if it tells up the all-up weight. 76 grams, so you were well underneath the 250 gram limit, so I wouldn't even worry about it. The package comes with the battery, the manual, the remote, spare prop, screwdriver, landing gear, which don't even put on because it's extra weight, and the balance tab USB style charger. The batteries are about $12 Canadian a piece if you want to get extra batteries, and that's the one thing I noticed right away flying it. You want extra batteries. So what I did notice is if you have any of these other style batteries, these are 2S Zippy Compacts 2S500, by simply eliminating a little bit of foam in there, you could get this battery to sit in there and go flying on and have a little bit more airtime and everything. So I'm impressed. I'm really impressed with what the product is and what it offers. So again, if you're looking for a really fun little simple Christmas gift that's in the under $100 range and your kid can fly, check it out. I'm Andre. This is the XK 180 F22 Raptor.
Go.
It's good. Fly it, Andre.
Bring that back. Wow.
Yeah, bring it back. Bring it back.
That was, so you don't really need full throttle. I'm throttle off and it's just gliding.
I mean, you're going to get a lot of flight time then on this thing.
Right by speed.
Nice. Whoa! I thought you were going to thunder in. That's pretty cool.
That's not bad at all. Oh wow, I'm mildly impressed with this thing.
I actually saw the LED lights when you went over. Bring it over me again.
I'm just right over top of you. Alright, I'm gonna come right back at you again.
Okay, I'll stay here.
Switch modes.
That's close.
Okay, so this is, oh now she's a little bit loose.